Looking for an AI-powered search engine that's blazing fast, gives real-time citations, and streams live data? Today, we're exploring Fireplexity V2, a next-generation AI search engine that combines web, news, and image search in one powerful tool. Fireplexity is an open-source AI search engine built with TypeScript and powered by Firecrawl and Groq APIs. It's designed to provide instant and accurate results with real-time streaming responses, making your searches smarter and faster than ever. Let us discuss key features of Fireplexity blazing fast AI search. Get instant answers with live web, news, and image data. Real-time citations. Every result is backed by real sources, so you can trust the information. Open source. Check out the entire project on GitHub and even contribute. Modern tech stack, built with Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and TypeScript. How to set it up locally. Want to try it yourself? It's super easy. Clone the repo, git clone https, github.com, mendable AI, Fireplexity, git cd Fireplexity, and type npm install. Now configure your environment cp.env.example env.local. Add your Firecrawl and Groq API keys, and run the app npm run dev, then open http://localhost:3000 in your browser. Now let's see Fireplexity in action. This AI-powered search engine lets you ask any question across web, news, and images in real time. For this demo, I'm asking a very trending question. Tell me about DeepSeek v3.1 versus GPT 4.1 versus Claude Opus 4.1. Which is the best among them? Fireplexity instantly pulls live data, provides citations, and streams the answer in real time. It compares each model's strengths, weaknesses, and use cases directly from the latest information available online. This is what makes Fireplexity so powerful. You're not just getting static, outdated answers. You're getting live insights with proper references. It's perfect for anyone who wants reliable AI comparisons and the most up-to-date information. So that's Fireplexity V2, the blazing fast AI search engine that brings the future of search right to your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below.